When it comes to enhancing the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home in Orangeburg, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is replacing old windows with new vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are durable, affordable, and energy efficient, making them an excellent choice for homeowners. However, with so many options available, it can be challenging to determine which vinyl windows are right for your property. Here's a guide to help you choose the best vinyl windows for your Orangeburg home, ensuring long-term satisfaction and maximum value. Consider energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. Orangeburg, with its warm summers and mild winters, can put significant demands on your HVAC system. Old windows, especially those with single panes, can lead to air leaks, drafts, and heat loss. Vinyl windows, however, provide excellent insulation that helps keep your home's temperature stable, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. When selecting vinyl windows, look for models that feature double or triple glazing, which provides better insulation than single-pane windows. Additionally, look for windows with low emissivity glass, which helps to reflect heat back into your home during the winter while blocking heat from the sun during the summer. This will not only make your home more comfortable but also lower your utility bills over time. Match your home's style. Your windows should complement your home's architectural style to maintain or enhance its curb appeal. Vinyl windows come in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to choose the perfect match for your property's design. Whether you live in a traditional ranch-style home, a cozy cottage, or a more modern property, there is a vinyl window style that will suit your needs. Some popular vinyl window styles include double-hung windows. These are a classic choice for many homes, with two vertically sliding sashes that allow for easy ventilation and cleaning. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, these windows open outward, offering great airflow and unobstructed views. They are often used in modern and contemporary homes. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are a great option for homes with limited space, as they open horizontally rather than vertically. Bay and bow windows. These windows create a striking focal point in your home, extending outward from the wall and providing panoramic views. Choose a style that fits both the aesthetics and functionality you need, while also considering the type of ventilation and natural light you prefer in your home. Check for durability and low maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their low maintenance requirements. Unlike wood, which needs to be regularly painted and sealed to prevent rot and damage, vinyl windows are highly resistant to weathering and don't require much upkeep. They won't warp, crack, or fade over time, making them ideal for homeowners in Orangeburg who want durable windows without the hassle of constant maintenance. When selecting vinyl windows, look for products with reinforced frames and high-quality construction. Durable vinyl frames help ensure that the windows perform well over time, even with exposure to the elements. Additionally, ensure that the window hardware is sturdy and functional to provide smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Focus on security features. Your windows are a critical part of your home's security. Older windows may have weak locking mechanisms or be easy to break, compromising the safety of your property. Vinyl windows come with modern security features, including reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and sturdy frames that make it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home. Look for vinyl windows with secure locking mechanisms and consider features such as laminated or tempered glass, which offer additional protection against break-ins. Enhanced security features not only protect your home but also give you peace of mind, knowing that your windows are strong and secure. Consider noise reduction. If your property is located near a busy street or other noisy areas in Orangeburg, you may want to prioritize windows that offer noise reduction. Vinyl windows with double or triple glazing can significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Look for windows with thicker glass or an additional layer of soundproofing features. Some vinyl windows are designed specifically for noise reduction, making them ideal for homes in noisy neighborhoods or areas with heavy traffic. Choose a reputable manufacturer. Not all vinyl windows are created equal, so it's essential to choose a reputable manufacturer known for quality products and reliable customer service. Take the time to research different window brands and ask for recommendations from local contractors or other homeowners in your area. Check for certifications such as Energy Star, which ensures that the windows meet energy efficiency standards. Look for windows that come with a solid warranty, covering both the materials and installation, as this can give you added peace of mind in the event of any issues. Professional installation matters. Even the best vinyl windows will not perform well if they are not installed correctly. Choosing a professional installation service is crucial to ensuring that your windows are properly fitted, sealed, and aligned. Poor installation can lead to drafts, water infiltration, and reduced energy efficiency, so hiring a qualified installer is key to getting the most out of your investment. Many window manufacturers offer professional installation as part of their services, so be sure to inquire about this option. A reputable contractor will ensure that the windows are installed according to manufacturer specifications, maximizing their performance and longevity. Conclusion: choosing the right vinyl windows for your Loves Park home requires careful consideration of several factors, including energy efficiency, style, durability, and security. By investing in high-quality vinyl windows, you can improve your home's comfort, lower your utility bills, enhance its curb appeal, and increase its value. Be sure to choose windows that fit your home's design and meet your specific needs, while also selecting a trusted manufacturer and professional installer to ensure long-term satisfaction. With the right windows in place, your home will be more energy efficient, secure, and beautiful for years to come.